Hey guys, Kelly here with Live Life Logically, and I have another product review for you. So I just got out of the shower, haven't done my hair yet. You're probably like, what are you going to be reviewing? Well, I'm gonna be reviewing one of those blackhead remover masks that you've probably seen all over social media. Yeah, I'm kind of scared because as you probably know, there are some horror stories about these masks that you put it on and then you can't take it off. Like it's on there and it hurts to take off. But I have to try it because I need to try it before you buy it, right? So I purchased this K-Sang deep cleaning black mask, and it is supposed to be a peel off blackhead remover. Deep cleansing peel off mask removes dulling surface cells and impurities, while vitamins and plant extract soften the skin to restore a youthful glow. Let's hope that's the case and I don't turn out looking like a tomato. I'm actually just going to apply it to my chin because I just kind of want to test it out and see on a small area how it works. I do have pretty oily skin. I do have fairly large pores. I know that there's kind of a little bit of a controversy about blackhead removing products like the strips and these masks. Some say that it actually is damaging your pores. Some say it's actually a good thing because it's taking out all of those impurities and the dirt and the grime and the excessive sebum production if you're like me and you have extra oily skin, as long as you just follow up with a toner and a moisturizer. So we're gonna check that out. I'm gonna apply it just to my chin, like I said, and then I'll probably do my hair and then come back and we'll see what comes out. Okay, so I ordered this on Amazon Prime. It came in 2 days and it was $8.95, so free shipping, $8.95. Comes in this lovely little box. Okay, note, for those with sensitive skin or fragrance sensitive, it is highly suggested to apply some to try behind the ear. Oh, the English is not so good on this. And if there are no allergy symptoms such as red or itchy skin after 24 hours, just use it without risk. Okay, blackhead removal peel off mask deep into the bottom of pores to absorb the blackhead dirt. Again, kind of weird English here. Helps to adjust the skin to balance water and oil, shrink pores, and firm skin, clean and clear, while vitamins and plant okay, we're just gonna skip that part. Usage. So we've cleansed the area, it's dry. Like I said, I just got out of the shower. It says to apply to the desired area and then leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. So it doesn't say whether or not to use this little applicator, but I'm assuming that's what it's for, so that's what we're gonna do. 2.1 fluid ounces, all right. So it's kind of like rubbery. All right, I'm kind of nervous. Okay, I'm just gonna shake it a little bit. Okay, good, it is sealed. That makes me feel good. Whoa, it's coming out. I'm not even squeezing it, it's coming out. Oh gosh, I'm super nervous. Okay, I'm not even squeezing, guys. Like it just literally came out. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, this is really thick. I'm freaking out, I'm so scared. I think that's on, let me just look at a mirror. I think that's enough. That's what we'll do for right now. Okay. So I'm gonna put this away and I'm gonna go dry my hair and I'll be back hopefully in 10 to 15 minutes and we'll be able to rip this sucker off. Okay guys, I'm back. It's about 15 minutes later since I've applied this and it is definitely tightened up. I'm really wanting to take it off my skin right now for several reasons. One, while I was drying my hair, I could actually start to smell this product more. And I was like, gosh, this smells like Elmer's glue, right? You remember like several years ago, it was kind of a big thing to buy Elmer's glue and then buy charcoal tablets and then mix them and use them as like a face mask. It was all over Pinterest. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna finish drying my hair and I'm gonna look up the ingredients in Elmer's glue and look up the ingredients in this face mask. And the one ingredient that they had in common that's at the top of the list is polyvinyl alcohol or polyvinyl acetate, which is not good for your skin. Another thing that kind of made me nervous was the next ingredient is carbon black. That has been linked to lung toxicity and skin irritations and cancer. And then this next word, which I'm so not going to pronounce correctly, but Methylisothiazonlinone. Okay, whatever. I will comment that below in the comments. That's also linked to severe lung toxicity. So I'm kind of nervous. The last ingredient is vitamin E, so at least they're putting something in there. But let's see if we can take this sucker off. I did put it on pretty light. So here we go. Let's see if we can do it. Okay. It does hurt when it's coming off, but it's nothing like what I've seen in some of those videos, but I also think it's because those people put it on too thick. So let's see if it pulled anything out of my pores. Okay. Okay, so you're probably not gonna be able to see this. There's like nothing. There's nothing on there. There's nothing on there. Nope, my pores look the same. Yeah. Comes off easily with the washcloth. Yeah, my pores look the same. My face looks a little bit red. So I don't know. I mean, maybe if you've tried this before, maybe I'm applying it incorrectly. Maybe I do need to apply it a little bit thicker, but those ingredients are making me kind of nervous. That's really making me nervous. I know that not all the products that I use on my skin are, 100% natural, but I try as best I can. And for something that's like sitting on my skin and really soaking into my pores, that really kind of makes me nervous. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video, comment below if you've used this product or you have any questions. And as always, please subscribe to our Live Life Logically YouTube channel where we're doing product reviews for you. We try it before you buy it. Also check out our social media channels. We are on Facebook, we are on Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and then as always, our website, livelifelogically.com. So I will see you guys for the next product review.